Alright, so we are at Wacky Wheels race, the first race in Hungary. I decided to check it out, even if, to be honest, I didn't have a great feeling about this event from the start, mostly about how it was presented to the riders and as a whole event, but it doesn't really matter, it's not far from me, I decided to check it out. I decided not to race, I will not go into a lot of details, but I will make this video very short, get you just an idea, and it was the first race organized by the Electro Hussars crew. Balaton Karika race has started. I enjoyed the area and the company. The whole race was a little bit slow and it was quite warm in the summer, but it doesn't really matter. I think the people who raced enjoyed it, and the grand prize was the Floatwheel for the first place, so it was the biggest prize you could even get in the whole season of EOL events. So in my opinion, Wacky Wheels had some downsides, but it also had some positive sides, and since this video is quite delayed, you will see that they improved the second edition a lot, and I love that race next year. We will get to that soon. But now let's see some moments of Wacky Wheels 2024. How is the drone team doing?
Yeah, we are doing very well.
Alex just finished.
We're just doing here. Alex is there.
He's going okay, I guess. I'm in the finals.
What do you think about the race?
The track is really nice, challenging. There's a lot of tasks. But yeah, I'm getting a bit tired because it's already quite late. And yeah, just happy that it's almost going to be the finals.
This road is one of the underground circuit roads, and it's actually a nice road because you can go decently fast, but there's a lot of rocks and potholes and stuff, so you have to watch out. I found it pretty nice. There's a very old Hungarian train with us. It's 6:30 on the Balaton Karika race and we are waiting for the finals.
Just warming up a little. There will be blood.
Of course I'm gonna fight for the Floatwheel. Better watch out, Alexis!
For the finals, it's gonna be only head-to-head, first against second and third against fourth. It's 8 in the evening. We have the fight for the third and fourth place, fighting for the third place. This is the fight for the third place. Go for it! He's racing for the fourth place, I mean trying to catch the fourth. Third place.
Podium, my guy!
Finals at Wacky Wheels between Jaffa and Alexis.
Heading into the burn section. Come on, Jaffa, you are a king, man. Let's go! Let's go! Taking number!
Congratulations for the third place.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Alexis came here to win the Floatwheel, and I guess he's like a minute away from it.
These are the last minutes.
I love DIY shit.
That's amazing.
You want to say what is it?
Piece of art.
What piece of art?
Yeah.
It is.
I made it with school. I use just school materials.
Good job. It's time to go around the lake, 220 kilometers or something. So the first day is obviously everybody goes together. We cross half of the lake distance. I mean, we cross half of the loop around the lake, and we take it very chill. For me, even too chill. Quite some people with e-skates, EUCs, Onewheels, whatever you want. First challenging spot, I'm 100% for like half an hour. It's just pure fun at Balaton Karika. First day of Balaton Karika, we did some 70 kilometers. For those who wanna return back to the starting point, there is the chicken lane, the ferry back to Balaton Karika. Some riders will return to the starting point of today with the ferry. Most of us will continue another 35 kilometers and sleep in Fonyot. And tomorrow we have another 110 kilometers going back, but on the other side of the lake. So we complete the circle. The forbidden ticket machine for the chicken lane. Bye bye. I hope quite some people stay for tomorrow, because tomorrow is kind of our race day. We go a little bit faster and we have fun. Apparently this is gonna be the group who is staying for tomorrow. Most of the people left, but it's alright. We slept in a camping place, in hammocks. It was nice. Actually my first night spent in a hammock. I usually prefer the tent, but it was all good. Easier to carry than a tent and everything. What was different was the last day, because in the previous edition I raced back kinda alone and it was fun. But this year Luke decided to join me and we really decided to push ourselves to the limits and just ride, charge. I really didn't feel much because it was very enjoyable and we were going very fast. So thanks Luke for joining this, and it's very nice to ride with a rider with similar skills and similar board capabilities, including the similar charger speed. So on the left there is the bike lane that we just took from Fonyot back to Balaton Karika or whatever that place is called. It's kind of a challenge to ride it fast and find your charging spot and do it your own way. Last year I finished first, pretty much alone in the last 1/3 of the way. This year I teamed up with Luke and we did it together, but this time for real, not like last year where I did half of the way slowly and then speed it up. This time we pretty much pushed from the beginning to the end. It was 104 kilometers and we needed 5 hours 53 minutes, including all the chargings and every stop we did. My idea was we need at least 5 hours and 6 should be doable, and this is kinda the reality, but it cannot be much faster because you need to charge and all of those things. So yeah, the Balaton Wheelaton is a fun thing to do. All the ones who took the chicken lane or decided not to do it, I recommend do it, because if you were tired yesterday when we were doing the chill ride, it took us 15 hours for the same distance. Of course we were stopping for longer times, but this is also a lot more hours just standing on your board because you're going slower. And this is what is killing your feet, standing on your board for a long time. Here, when you're going faster, you're moving a little bit more and the standing on the board time is way shorter, so the 100 kilometers is not that big of a deal anymore. I'm now returning home. That being said, Balaton Karika 2024 was a great event. The race had some organizational issues itself, while the Balaton Karika event, the group ride and this was a very cool thing. And that's kinda it. I hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you soon in Denmark actually.